Hello everyone, welcome back to Developer Matty. Today, we're going to create a custom cover page in Microsoft Word for Business Report, perfect for adding that extra touch to your documents. Let's start by opening a blank Word document. Once you're there, make sure your view is set to print layout so you can see how your cover page will look when printed. Let's start by adding a subtle background design to our cover page. First, go to the Insert tab and select the rounded rectangle shape. Position this in the top left corner of the document, rotate it slightly, and adjust the corner roundness to suit your preference. Set the shape color to a dark blue, using the hex color hashtag 24375D for a polished look. Next, let's create a base at the bottom of the page using a wave shape. Position it along the bottom edge of the document and adjust the wave as you like. Choose a soft green for this shape to create a nice contrast with the blue elements above. To add a bit more design flair, select the moon shape and place it just above the wave, leaving a small gap. Customize the size and shape as needed. and then fill it with a dark blue gradient, giving it a subtle but professional look that matches our theme. Now, let's add a chord shape. Position this on the right side of the document, roughly centered. Fill it with a standard blue shade to add depth to our background. Next, we're going to create a layered chord design. Add another chord shape on top of the previous one. Set this new chord to a 6-pixel white outline and choose a transparent blue fill. Then, in the Shape Format tab, select Shape Fill and add an image. I'll use Bing Search to find an image of a building and fill this chord with that image. Place it over the first chord and bring it forward slightly to make the design pop. Once the building image is positioned as you like, group both chord shapes together. This makes it easier to move or resize them as a single element. At the top of the page, let's add our logo. Insert the logo, resize it as needed, and position it in the top area of the document for a clean, professional touch. Now for the text. Insert a text box and type Business Report 2024 as our title. Change the font to Montserrat for a modern, clean look. Adjust the font size and color to suit the design. Below the title, add another text box. This time, type Presented by Developer Maddie. Again, use the Montserrat font and select colors that complement our design. Finally, to give our subtitle some style, add a small shape beside the subtitle text box. Customize its color and add any final adjustments to font size or alignment. And there you have it, a professional, customized cover page in Microsoft Word. That's it. You now have a custom, professional cover page in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks.